In this video, you will learn how to install Grammarly in Microsoft Word. Search for Grammarly in the search bar. We want to install the Grammarly app on our desktop computer. So click on Grammarly for desktop. So it's going to bring you to this interface. All you need to do is to click on download Grammarly. It's free. But firstly, you need to have an account. All you need to do is you can sign up with your email or your Facebook or any other accounts. Once you are able to sign up, then you can easily download it. Once you click on download, it's free. So it's going to start downloading. As you can see, it is now showing downloading in this top right area. So it's in progress already. Once it is done downloading, so I can now double click on it to install it. So once you double click on it, you'll be able to install it on your computer. To find out whether it has been downloaded and installed, all you need to do is to come to your start menu, click on this start menu and search for Grammarly. So can you see it has been downloaded and it has been installed? So I have it already. So likewise, once it has been installed on your computer, you'll be able to see it here. So this is an evidence that it is now on. So I have this document that I want to correct some errors here. So since you have it already downloaded on your computer and you've already logged in, you'll be able to correct some mistakes here. As you can see, it is showing me some underlined words here. So these are some words that I need to correct or to make some adjustments. Can you see all of this? So if you check at the bottom right here, you are going to see this particular suggestion. This is to show you that Grammarly is working automatically. So it is showing us that we have 39 suggestions to correct. So now click on this particular area. Once you click on it, it's going to be able to show you all the corrections needed to be done on this particular document we have typed already. These are all the words that needs to be corrected. All you need to do is to click on all the check marks. Once you are done, your document will be error free. Alright guys, that's how to use Grammarly in Microsoft Word. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to turn on notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be updated. Thank you.